does plug mean in this sentence? I think the plug for the computer came out of the outlet again. Plugging now.
Plug.
Now, the part of a cord that goes into an electric outlet. Plug now. A stopper usually for a tub sink or bottles.
Bottle. Okay, so which one? Okay, go ahead.
Good.
Yeah. Okay.
These. Tie now a piece of clothing that man wears around his neck. Tie verb to knot.
Okay, to knot. Tie your shoes. Okay.
When I dress up, I tie my big red bow and my hair.
Okay.
This one.
Okay. That. Which one?
This one.
It's a verb or a noun?
Verb.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, good.
Box. Now a square. Container.
Good.
Container. Box. Verb. To fight with someone as a sport.
Okay.
If you get hungry, there's a box of crackers in the
Cupboard. In the kitchen there's a cupboard. Okay. Cupboard. Yeah, that's cupboard. What's that?
Stopper.
Good.
Stopper.
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 Cupboard.
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 Cupboard, I think. Cupboard. Oh.
Cupboard.
A cupboard. Oh, you the person as cupboard. Yeah, closet.
Cupboard.
Yeah.
Cupboard. Cupboard.
Oh, yeah, there's a cupboard in the kitchen. Okay. Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Cupboard.
Boat. Beat. Verb. To hit something over and over. Beat now. A pattern of sound rhymes.
Rhyme. Okay.
Rhyme. This song has such a
Catchy. It's an adjective. Okay. Catch. Catchy. Okay,
cardboard.
cupboard. I think it plus.
Cupboard.
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 Yeah, the P is silent. Okay, this one. Cupboard.
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 Pronounce like that. Cupboard. It's a
Who? Yush. Who?
Catchy.
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 It's a catch. Add Y. So catch is a verb. You add Y, it becomes the adjective.
Catchy.
Catchy.
Okay. Appealing means attractive.
Appear and easy to remember.
Okay.
Catchy.
Catchy. Look. Catchy.
Okay, can spell.
C-A-T-C-H-Y. Catchy.
Okay, easy to remember. Okay.
The catchy song.
A catchy song. Noticeable. Actually, this is very good. Yeah, what's that?
Notice Bob.
Okay.
Well, need a catchy
Slogan.
slogan
Okay, short sentence.
to
Sell a new product. Okay.
Catchy.
catchy. Notice Bob.
Okay, noticeable. People can easily notice it. That's catchy. Okay. Beat. Long.
A pattern of sound
Right.
rhymes.
Okay.
Rhyme. This song has such a catchy beat.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay.
Catchy.
It's a noun. Yeah.
Summit.
Okay.
Catch.
Catch. Very catchy. Catchy.
You should.
Okay.
Patient.
Yeah, patient. Good.
Adjective. Calm and not rushed.
Good.
Pattern.
It's the same thing.
Patient. Now a person getting help at a hospital.
Okay.
Please tell the
You just read it. Patient.
Patient. Please tell the patient that I will see how now. Doctor
Erickson.
said to the nurse.
Okay. Which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Around.
Wound.
Okay,
wound. Okay, wound has two different meaning.
wound. Now a bad cut in your skin.
Okay, cut in your skin.
One
It's the same thing, but
wound, fab, wipe,
okay.
how, mom,
No, it's the same thing.
wound,
What's that?
catchy,
Can I spell it?
C-A-T-C-H-Y, catchy.
What's going on?
Catchy.
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 And noticeable. Okay. Okay.
A catchy song.
Okay, a catchy sound.
wound,
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 the,
wound,
wound,
wound, wound,
okay, okay,
W-O-U-N-D, wound. Mom wound a throat thread around her hand.
okay, do you know which one?
This one,
Okay,
summit,
yeah. Wound, actually, I think it's a past tense of the wind. Okay,
pocket, pitcher, found the baseball player who throws the ball toward the batter.
good.
Pitcher now a
Container like a box or anything that can contain other things. Container.
for
Pouring.
shrinks.
Okay, a container for pouring drinks. Okay. Maria
Put a pitcher of lemonade on the picnic table.
Okay, which one? Yeah. Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Story now. Tell a description of what happened. Story now. A fall of a building.
Okay.
If you look, you are looking for the bathroom. It's on the bottom story of our house.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Coat. Now a jacket. Coat. Now a layer. Covered a surface.
Okay.
When it's snowing, go get out.
Great.
pronouncenames.com. Greta, Greta, Greta,
Greta. Anyway, Greta. Anyway.
When that
Okay, when it's snowing out,
creek.
Greta.
Greta wears a long coat with a hat and a scarf.
Okay, which one? Okay.
This one.
Yeah.
Summit.
Yeah.
Right. Adjective. Correct. The opposite of wrong. Right. Adjective. The opposite of left. Opposite of left. All of my answers on the spelling test were right.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah. Okay, let's stop here.